Destroy Gaming and Tech. So this is our new fan, that is Crompton Highspeed Torpedo. So we're going to do unboxing of this right now, and the only tools we need, this to cut the box and this to assemble the fan. So I'm going to do it on screen for you guys. So the thing that I would like to tell you in this video is that this is the fan that I bought from Amazon.in. So I will give you a live review of how this is working and is it easy for you to set it up or not. So if you are also looking for a fan, I think the links will be in the description. You can check it out, and if you are watching the video without a subscribe, you can give it a subscribe. It is free and it helps us grow. So yeah, thanks a lot for the subscribe button. I know you have hit it. Let's go. Let's get started. This is a little loop. I don't know what is it going to be used for. So this is the main blade and other compartments. We will come on this after some time. Let's get this thing packing of everything. Okay. Oh, this is heavy. This is our base. This is a plastic, semi-plastic base, fiber base, I think. Yeah. Oh, this right here is our fan shaft, and this will go into the base, and then it will come up like this. Okay. So this is our shaft, and the last thing that we have here is the motor. Yeah, this is the last thing that we have here. No instruction manuals or anything like that. So this is all that are inside this box. So let's get started. Let's unwrap them and I will do it. This is our base. It's actually heavy rubber. Something like rubber. Okay, let's open it up. Let's open all the screws. My weapon is not for this purpose. Actually, this is a PH1 head, so this won't work here. I have to bring it. Okay, so guys, I'm back with the other screwdrivers. So we have the big one and the smaller one. So let's see which fits in here, and let's try to open it quickly. Yeah, this fits. Yeah, this fits here.
Yeah, everybody knows that I'm breaking down. Everybody knows I ain't faking now. Everybody knows my heart's vacant now.
So let's gauge the base here.
Yeah, she hates me now, I made mistakes, but now I don't ever wanna be alone.
Let's screw it up.
I don't really ever feel at home, on my own, in the zone. That's the only way I know, feeling low, about to blow back up. Here I won't ever let the doubt creep in. Gotta pop a couple more aspirin. I don't think I'll ever let you in. Easier to break it off best friends. I don't really understand myself, I don't really understand, need help. I don't wanna be left on the shelf. Couldn't even hear me if I...
So this right here is a warranty card. Nothing else, nothing fancy. About that right now. Oh my god, this is heavy.
It's so cold outside.
Okay, so this is going to be our fan holder, and I think we might just have to insert this inside, or I don't know.
I'm alone, I'm alright. It's so cold outside.
Now this is okay. Actually, this has a tilting facility. You can see it. It goes back and it goes front like this. So you can tilt the fan like this, okay? So that is good. We are going to set it to the normal motion here.
I'm alone, I'm alright.
Yeah, you see that? This goes here.
It's so cold.
So this is how the base is looking, guys. This is the base. That's what I made till now. And let's put in the height adjuster. Let's have the ruler on it. This is heavy actually. Okay, so let's get into the favorite part. Okay, so this blade is purely fiber, you can see that. Okay, and then I think we have to get this thing inside. We will put this thing inside.
Yeah.
And then we have to put in the guard ring.
Let's go.
And after the guard ring, let's get the blade. This is actually the most sturdy blade that I have seen so far.
I don't wanna break down. Always
Okay, it is right here. So this is the shaft.
feel like I could break now.
Just make sure that this is tight enough and it don't roll out. Okay. So now the finishing part.
But I never let it take me to that place now. I won't ever let my thoughts get away now. I got better things to do, picking fate now. I just wanna be the best, call me great now. I don't know if I'm okay or insane now. I remember better days on the playground, hoping I can find my way. Even when I'm feeling down, I fight. Even when I don't know what is right, I'ma pick a side and I'ma take pride. I will decide my fate and I will never let them tell me who I am. If you try to shape me, I'll be
Yeah, we are done.
damned. Planet on the ground is where I stand. Never give up, that was always the plan.
So ta-da! Our fan is ready. Now time to test it. So this right here is the cord that is not too much long. That is a disappointment, but it's alright. Actually no, it's good enough. Let me get it to the closest plug. A little bit. You just walk a bit here.
It's so cold outside.
Put some air. Oh my god, this works! Let's go, boys! Let's go! Let me test the air. Let me test the air pressure, okay? This is where I'm gonna stop it. And can I just rotate it towards me? Oh my god! Hello, guys! Welcome to Destroyer Gaming and Tech. I hope all of you have done this in your childhood, okay? So let's just test the other phases. This is the lowest speed, okay? Actually, the lowest speed is also a little bit more for us. This is the lowest speed, okay? That was the highest speed actually. So yeah, this is good. This is good. Right now my ceiling fan is also running, but this fan gives a lot of air, I guess. You can see my hairs going up. This is the lowest speed, okay? And then this is the second speed level. So this has 3 speed levels, and yeah, I think you can see my hairs flowing in the air. And this is the highest speed. I like it. I like it, guys. So please subscribe if you can. Let's go. And yeah, one thing I forgot to show you the rotate. See, it's still making sound like that, okay? So let me just show you the rotation real quick. So you just give it this, and if you tap it in, it will start rotating, auto rotation. See that? This is the auto rotation. I don't know how much degree it is, but I guess it is 90 degrees. Okay, it is coming towards me, and then it's again going back towards from this to this. It's more than 90 degrees. It's 120 degrees swirl, I think. And the other thing that you can do is, I should not be doing it in an operating phase. Let's just off it, and you can just bend the ankle. This way. Okay, you can bend the fan, which I showed you. If you unscrew it, it can be bented like this. It can go down like this. It can come up like this. Oh my god, what is this? This is gonna be a top fan. We should cool the ceiling fan like this. Okay, so this is it. Let's just get it back into the position that we wanted. We want it to be like this. And can you please come towards us? No, I guess. Now can you come towards us? Yeah, now we can come towards us. And we're going to screw it up so that it doesn't move on its own. And yeah, the power is already on. I should not have done that. But yeah, It's chilling time. Oh my god. The air is so cool. Wait, this should not be like this. There is a quick mistake that I have done. The Crompton sign is just like this. So should I make it like this or should I let it be like this? You guys have to comment in the section. Okay. So thank you for watching. Please drop a like if you can. Thank you. Tada.